certain zebra warrior and his insolent dependent friend are feeling pretty pleased with themselves. And why not? After all, they are the iron overlords of this two-dimensional world, with a smash-out posse on hand, should they ever meet a worthy opponent and find themselves in a jam. Speaking of which, here comes Strawberry Caterpillar.
Well. Then. Well, it's the strawberry cat with the super dope limbs and the deaf female with the fly red skin. When I say cat, I mean caterpillar. Everybody knows I'm the master triller. That's right.
Well, go on, Strawberry.
So what naughty crimes your zebra skill's gonna fight today?
Depends on what fools is ready to cross my zebra-ness.
What if the strong captain's got them dirty powers to kill you up?
Doubtful.
Yeah, boy. I bet I ain't met a muffarucker that could do that yet.
What about Metal B-Boy? I come stinging from the heavens, ready to zip your ugly stripes with my super venom sting.
You! Who's this stripy fly?
Yo, Zebra Face! Use your chill rock skills to tell this flying sucker what time it is.
I'm ready for some B-boy rumbling, boy. I send you tumbling. I'm gonna be humbling you. I'll leave you fumbling, Bruce, in the flowers for hours.
You ain't so wise, here's my surprise. With my super sting I'm gonna magnetize your brother, and then you'll realize the stinging man's the prize winner. Eat you up like dinner, spit you out and stay thinner. Ah! Homeboy, I'm all magnetic!
Whoa!
Don't you King Rockers worry. I'm ready to maximize the deafness, cause I got a strawberry idea in my genius mind.
Yeah, well that better be a Chilean brainwave, otherwise us brave twins are gonna be two-zapping forever.
Ah, these strawberry legs give me the zippy speed I need to get these brothers freed. Out comes the electro sting with my zebra lasso. Let's see what this flying devil's gonna be spilling.
No. The metal bee's honey's getting loose.
Yo, Strawberry, use that supercharged honey to glue the fresh master zebra back together again.
All right.
That's better. I feel together. I'm like a rock-a-pum-pum zebra.
Certified.
Girl, I'm ready for some fierce dancing. I gotta get these shaking limbs on a riot tip.